Hello, welcome. I'm going to be showing us how to check waec results. If you've written waec and you want to check your results, how do you go about it? First of all, get to the address bar, type in www.waecdirect.org. You can see exactly the way it is written here, www.waecdirect.org. So once you type that, this website is going to open exactly the way it's showing here now. So the next thing that you're going to do is to put in your examination number. Your examination number mostly starts with 42. You type it in here. So after typing in your examination number, make sure you type it very well so that there will be no mistake. You select the year you wrote the waec, like for 2018, this is it. But if you wrote in 2010, you select 2010. If you're checking for GCE results, then you use private candidate. But if you're checking normal school, November, December, June, July, you use school candidates. So GCE private candidate, that's November, December. Normal school candidates, June, July. Now the scratch card that you bought for the result checker, you put the serial number here. So type what the serial number, you see it on the scratch card, whereas you type in the pin here, then you click on submit. Once you click on submit, you're going to see your result. Very importantly, you're going to be very careful with the exam number that you put. If you put some other person's exam number, you will check the person's result and your card will not be valid to check for your own result. So you're going to be very careful when you're putting in the examination number. Make sure you type in the right number. Make sure you select the right year of exam. Make sure you pick the right option of school or private. Like I told you, if you wrote June, July, you choose school. If you wrote GCE, November, December, you choose private. So once you do that, check the back of your card, scratch it, put the serial number and put the pin and click on submit, and you will see your result. Please, if you like this video, click on the subscribe button by this side of the screen. Like and share this video and send it to your friends so that they look at it and know how to go about checking their waec results. And in subsequent classes, we are going to be checking how to check NECO, NAPTEP, and every other result that you need to do for you to pass and continue doing your academics. Please, if you have any question, drop it on the comment section. Thank you.